Good evening, everybody. Hope y'all had a good day. We are just going to be making up some chicken tonight. I got this package of chicken legs for $5.34 at the Myers today. So we are going to do a barbecue chicken in the oven because it is way too cold to go outside and put it on the barbecue. So we're just going to lay it down here on our sheet pan. I covered mine with aluminum foil just because it makes it a little easier to clean it up at the end. Some of these chicken legs are very meaty. They are very large. I have my oven preheating to 425 degrees. We are a Sweet Baby Ray's family. My son loves barbecue sauce. I've only found one that he does not like, which is Open Pit Original. He does not like it. We're just going to take this and we're going to squeeze it into our bowl here. It makes it a little easier. We are going to brush these chicken legs with some barbecue sauce. I only do one side to begin with, and then when they're halfway done cooking, I will flip them over and do the other side. We are also having macaroni and cheese with this. They had Velveeta mac and cheese, which is one that we do like, but we don't normally buy because it is typically expensive. But they had it on sale at our Myers this week. So I bought 2 boxes of it. So dinner is going to cost us right around 11 bucks tonight. So yeah, this is kind of a budget-friendly meal. It takes about an hour to prep or to cook. We do barbecue chicken a lot in the wintertime in the house, just because it is a cheap and easy meal. We usually do it with stuffing because my husband is a huge stuffing fan. Me, myself, I am not. Alright. These are going to go into my preheated oven. We're going to start with a half an hour. We'll pull them out after a half an hour. I'll flip them over and brush barbecue on the other side. But until then, we'll see you in a little bit. Bye-bye for now. Alright guys, this has been in the oven for a half an hour now. We are going to flip them over. And then we will put the barbecue sauce on the other side. Really does not take a real long time for this to cook up in the oven. I usually do mine for an hour to an hour and a half. Just depends on how big your chicken is. You know, if you've got some meatier chickens, then I suggest cooking it a little longer. There we go. And then we're just going to coat the opposite side with more barbecue. I like to use a generous amount of barbecue sauce. Because in the end, we're going to broil them for the last 5 to 10 minutes. Just so your barbecue sauce gets nice and crispy and yummy, I guess is the word I'm looking for. So we do go through quite a bit of barbecue sauce for these. All right, these are going to go back in the oven for another 30 minutes. And then when I pull them back out, I'll show you what they look like. We will talk to you in a little bit. Ta-ta for now. All right, y'all. This chicken has come out of the oven. This is what it's looking like. Did throw it under the broiler for a few minutes. Now we're just going to get some plates and dish it up. Hope you all have a good evening, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good night. Ta-ta for now.